It's very simple to do. The driver's side length will be 24 inches and the passenger side length will be 21 inches. And I'll put a link in the comment section off of Amazon where you can get these directly. And it's so simple, it's so Mickey Mouse, you'll be shocked. So to take it off, right now, I'm on the driver's side. You'll see this little pinhole here. So just take your key, and what you're going to do is you're going to press down on it firmly. And when you do that, it pops off like that. All right, then get your new blade. Again, driver's side will be 24 inches, passenger side 21, and you just simply slip it on like that. And looks like the pinhole broke on that one, but you get the picture. The new one will just pop in like that. All right, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe.